Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see unit 5 coordinate geometry and exercise 5.2 continuation. So problem number 10, show that the given points form a parallelogram A of 2.5 comma 3.5, B of 10 comma minus 4, C of 2.5 comma minus 2.5 and D of minus 5 comma 5, which belongs to the page number 221. So solution, plot the points and taking in anti-clockwise direction. So this is on rough diagram. This is x-axis and x dash, y-axis and y dash. If you take the point 2.5 comma 3.5, both are positive, so it lies on the first quadrant. Similarly, minus 5 comma 5 lies on the second quadrant. In third quadrant, no point is lying. Then finally, we are moving to the fourth quadrant. That is 2.5 comma minus 2.5, 10 comma minus 4. You just draw it rough and then you are taking the points A, B, C, D in an anti-clockwise direction, because clockwise direction, you know, clock strikes on like in this direction. So we are taking the points in an anti-clockwise direction A, B, C, D. So let A of minus 2.5 comma 3.5, B of minus 5 comma 5, C of 2.5 comma minus 2.5 and D of 10 comma minus 4 respectively. A coordinate is 2.5 comma 3.5, B coordinate is minus 5 comma 5. We have to find the slope of AB, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then the y2 value is 5 minus y1 is 3.5 divided by x2 value is minus 5. Then minus of x1 value is 2.5, which is equal to 5 minus 3.5 is nothing but 1.5 divided by minus 5 minus 7.5 is, minus 5 minus 2.5 is minus 7.5, which is equal to minus 1 by 5. Next we are going to find the slope of CD. So this is the C coordinate and D coordinate. Slope of CD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 value is minus 4 minus y1 value is 2 minus 2.5. So minus of minus plus 2.5 divided by x2 value is 10 minus x1 value is 2.5, which is equal to minus 4 plus 2.5 is minus 1.5 divided by 10 minus 2.5 is 7.5, which is equal to minus 1 by 5. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. Therefore, AB and CD are parallel. Also, we have to find the slope of AD. A coordinate is 2.5 comma 3.5 and D is 10 comma minus 4. Slope of AD is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 value is minus 4 minus y1 value is 3.5 divided by x2 value is 10 minus x1 value is 2.5, which is equal to minus 7.5 by 7.5 is equal to minus 1. Also you have to find the slope of BC. So B coordinate is minus 5 comma 5, C is 2.5 comma minus 2.5. So slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 value is minus 2.5 minus y1 value is 5 divided by x2 value is 2.5 minus x1 value is minus 5. So minus of minus plus 5, which is equal to minus 2.5 minus 5 is minus 7.5 divided by 2.5 plus 5 is 7.5. If you cancel out, you get the answer is minus 1. Therefore, slope of AD is equal to slope of BC. Therefore, AD and BC are parallel. So, previous we see slope of AD and slope of CD is also parallel. Therefore, AB and CD are parallel. So, here you get AD and BC are parallel. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Problem number 11 in exercise 5.2. If the points A of 2, 2, B of minus 2, minus 3, C of 1, minus 3 and D of x, y form a parallelogram, then find the value of x and y. So which belongs to the page number 221. Here the 4 points are given, but we doesn't know the value of x and y, but the question itself they say that the 4 points form a parallelogram. You have to find the value of x and y. So previous problem they are given the points, you just find the whether the 4 points are parallelogram or not. So you have to equate the slope of AB and slope of CD. So given a of 2 comma 2, b comma minus 2 comma minus 3, c of 1 comma minus 3, d of x comma y form a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So therefore we are taking slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. We get the same slope. So slope of AB, that is this is the slope of AB. You just substitute the formula minus 3 minus 2, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 2. Similarly slope of CD is y minus of minus 3 divided by x minus 1, which is nothing but minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 divided by minus 2 is minus 4, which is equal to y plus 3 divided by x minus 1. The next step is cross multiplication. Then minus minus gets cancelled. 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 into y plus 3, which is implies 5x minus 5, which is equal to 4y plus 4 3s are 12. So 5x minus 4y, which is equal to 12 plus 5. So 5x minus 4y is equal to 17. So this is your equation number 1. Also slope of AD is equal to slope of BC because it forms a parallelogram, no? So this is the A and D coordinate. This will be your x1, y1, x2, y2. So y minus 2 divided by x minus 2, which is equal to slope of BC. x1, y1, minus 2, minus 3, and c coordinate is 1 comma minus 3. So minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 divided by 1 minus of minus plus 2. So y minus 2 divided by x minus 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is 0 divided by 3, which is nothing but 0. So y minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2. Now you got the value y is equal to 2. So substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in equation 1. You know equation 1 implies 5x minus 4y is equal to 17. So instead of y we have to substitute 2. So 5x minus 4 into 2 is equal to 17. 5x minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 17. 5x is equal to 17 plus 8. 5x is equal to 17 plus 8 is 25. X is equal to 25 divided by 5. The value of x is equal to 5. So therefore x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So hence we found the value of x and y.